Hello everyone, welcome you all in this particular video. Today I come up with some announcement related to industry ready data analytics course. Let me talk about how this course will help you to get a job in a field of data analytics or business analytics. As we all know, whenever we are going to apply for any job in data analytics or business analytics field, most of the companies hiring experienced candidates only, right? So this course will help you to get the hands-on practical knowledge in the field of data analytics or business analytics. Now let me talk about the complete syllabus and then we will discuss the complete features about this course. Now I am going to present you Success Analytics Industry Ready Data Analytics Bootcamp course. This course is going to start on 29th of April 2023. So these are the tools that we are going to cover in this particular bootcamps: SQL, ETL, Power BI, Tableau and many more things. We will discuss the complete features later. Now let me show you the day-to-day activity and the day-to-day agenda for this particular bootcamp. So first, day 1 we will start with introduction and the overview of the syllabus. Introduction to the topics covered in the syllabus, overview of the tools and the technology that we will use. We are going to cover approx 8 to 9 complete tools in this particular bootcamp. Now let me talk about day 2 and day 3 activity. So in the day 2 and the day 3 we are going to cover build inventory management dashboard, learn about the data and the requirements for an inventory management dashboard. Why? Because see, whenever we are going to build any types of dashboard, first of all we need to understand the requirement. Whatever the benefit that we will get after building a dashboard, what are the benefit our client they will get after building these types of the dashboard. So first of all we need to understand the complete requirements regarding our projects. After that, build the data models and connect to the data sources, create the dashboard and visuals and add the interactivity, review and refine the dashboard. So this is the agenda that we have for day 2 and day 3. Complete syllabus, you can just check it out here in this PDF. This PDF is attached in the description section. You can just go through it. Okay, so day 4 and day 5 build the sales dashboard in a Tableau. So first we will start with Power BI, Tableau, SQL and so on. We will cover the complete tools, whatever the tools that we have mentioned here. So we will cover all tools in this particular bootcamp. So you can just go through this complete documentation. This documentation is available in the description section and let me know if you have any query regarding this course, guys. Okay, now let me go back on the dashboard again. Now let me talk about the features, complete features regarding this course. So if I talk about the complete features, so this complete industry ready data analytics bootcamp that we are going to cover each and everything in a live classes. So live classes with the recordings. Let's say if you have missed the classes, then in this case you will get the complete recordings as well. Interview preparation, resume building and the mock interview, 12 hands-on real-time industry ready project that we are going to cover. As you can see the name that we have, the industry ready data analytics bootcamp. So this course is mainly focused on the practical implementation. Okay, because most of the times freshers and even whenever the new person they want a transition in the field of data analytics, they confuse, okay, which types of project we can build and which types of project we can put it down in our resume, so our resume gets shortlisted. Okay, and how we will get a job easily in the field of data analytics and business analytics field. Okay, so 12 hands-on real-time industry project that we are going to cover, networking and the referrals, and at the end of the course you will get the referrals as well. Now let me talk about the complete tools. So SQL, ETLs, Power BI, Tableau, Snowflake. So these are the complete tools that we are going to cover in this particular course. Now course starting date 29th of April. Class timing 11 AM to 1 PM every Saturday and Sunday. Every Saturday and Sunday 11 AM to 1 PM. Mode of the courses online. Technology that you will learn SQL, ETL, Power BI, Tableau and many more. Class recording provided. Yes, you will get the class recording after the class. Doubt class, we have a separate doubt session every Thursday. Course availability, lifetime dashboard access you will get. So this is the complete features that we have for this course. Even you can check it out the complete syllabus. So 3 projects that we are going to cover in a Power BI, 3 projects that we are going to cover in a Tableau, 2 projects in ETL, Snowflake, and Intuit. Whatever the tools that we have mentioned here. So based on these tools, we can develop 2 end-to-end projects. As you can see, we have mentioned the build a real analysis using the scope, HDFS, Hive, and Tableau. So end-to-end we can develop the 2 dashboard, and apart from this, these are the complete syllabus that we are going to cover in this particular course. Now let me talk about the course fee. So the course fee right now that we have 2,500. This discount, 50% discount available till 10th of April. After the 10th of April, this course fee get increased to 5,000. So if you are interested, make sure you can enroll in this course before 10th of April, and let me know in the comment section, guys, if you have any query regarding this course. Else you can call directly on this number. You can directly call on this number 6280963446. Okay, so this is the complete data analytics bootcamp course that we have under the success analytics. Let me know if you have any query regarding this course in a comment section, guys. Thank you.